Alright guys, we're back with the A6400. The moment this got announced, I knew that this had to come home, that this had to be part of the thing, that I had to upgrade to the 4K for you guys. Now I don't think every video is going to be in 4K because 4K is really big files to edit and takes really long time to render, but we will get a lot of 4K function out of it. And the more that you guys subscribe, the more 4K footage I'll put up for you. Gotta be worth the effort, right? So what we're gonna do is crack right into this. This is such a big upgrade over pretty much any camera, but definitely the camera that we were using. What you're gonna be seeing as I unbox this is gonna be the Canon T6i. And we'll end up putting up some B-roll for you. We'll also do some comparison side by side, probably as B-roll, because I think, if I'm gonna be honest with you, sun's going down. I'm probably gonna do the comparison test tomorrow, but of course I wanted to be in this video. So if time of day looks a little off, that's why. So let's get into this, all right? As you saw, the blade versus the bots, blade always wins. All right. Got the instructions, as Flossie would say, pluck them and foul them to the side. Let's see what we got in here. Ah, yes. Wait, hold up.
Did you really just dump out the $1,300 camera?
So, I clearly did not dump out the $1,300 camera. I would never do that. We got the strap here. You know, you put it around your neck so that you don't drop it, or you put it around someone's neck who you don't like. Either works. This USB, what is this? It's gonna be it's not a Type-C. It's almost the year 2020, and we can't get a Type-C in here. We can't get a Type-C in here, Sony. Oh yes, the snipper scope. Or the spotter scope, right? Oi, you need to aim 4 degrees to the left, take the shot. Got this right here, it goes on the end of that. And now we're getting to the good part. This is the part everybody's here for. This is a thing that costs $18 billion. Deo gracias. Gotta unwrap it like it's a burrito though, you know what I'm saying? Oh, look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Almost as beautiful as a Kiyomi, but not near as beautiful as me. Let's go ahead, unscrew that. Oh, that beautiful mirrorless sensor. You're beautiful too, Canon. Don't get jealous. Calm down. Don't get jealous. You're beautiful too. You're not retired. You're not going on the back burner. You're going to be helping us still. And in case you guys look at the footage, and the footage looks a little different between what's being shot in the camera and what's being shot right here. You guys in the audience looking at me are looking at me through a Samsung. But Samsungs are really good quality. I didn't even say that right. Samsungs are really good quality, so you don't gotta worry. So let's talk a little bit about what we have on the table right here. This isn't like a full review. This is an unboxing and some information for you guys, okay? I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love this thing. I'm not worried about that. It's got the selling point for us vloggers, for us YouTubers. I already smudged it. What the fuck? Anyways, the selling point for us vloggers, us YouTubers, is this flip up magic right here that I obviously did not flip up properly. There we go. There we go. Just like that. Yeah, that's right. That's the vanity flip. The vanity flip. when you absolutely, positively must see yourself at all times, except no substitutes. So, the cool thing about this is Sony doesn't really put flip cameras or flip screens on their mirrorless. Why? I don't know. Who knows why? It's the #1 feature that's requested by YouTubers and commentators and vloggers and people with cameras. They just don't do it. But as you can see, they did. So I jumped on it. First time they did it, first time I hopped on it. Pow! The other awesome feature about this is that the 30-minute record limit is gone. It's a no-go. Pow, pow, pow. You know, now that I think about all the YouTube videos I saw, I never saw anyone rest their camera like this. Oh well. Anyways, so the 30-minute record limit's gone. You can record as much as you want. It's also using the brand new Sony sensor, okay? So this sensor runs cooler temperatures and allows for longer battery life. What that means to you is that unlike the A6500, you can pop this thing down and record as long as you have power. Speaking of power, we actually have a dummy battery that we'll be showing to you. You pop that in there, pow, pop it into a socket, pow, and then you can just record all day long. Yes, yes. So, the main things that I want to point out with this camera is no 30-minute record limit. You got 4K. You got 120 FPS at 1080p. And you got, I believe it's 30 FPS at 4K. Now, 60 FPS at 4K would have been a little bit better. 120 FPS at 4K would have been outstanding. But this is still real good. This is super good because I can still capture super high def slow-mo for you guys. You know I got you. So let's take a look at this. Flip it over like a pancake and then smack them buns. Anyways, this is the oh man, I'm not gonna look at it. I think it's like an 18 to 150 35 millimeter. Let's look. 35. 18 to 135. I got it right. It also came with like 15 to 50 or something like that. But I was like, yeah, I want to make sure that I could take this to cons and conventions for you newbies out there, for the normies out there. Because we were going to pretty much every anime convention this year in LA. So if you're there, holla at me. Get at me. Be like, hey, Connecticut. God, Connecticut, you gotta address me correctly. But yeah, hit me up when you see me at the conventions. I'm gonna have an eye on you, scope on you. So that's pretty much everything, you know. They have anything else hidden in the box? Didn't think so. Sony's like, what else do you want? We gave you the camera. Let's see here. So they gave.
The battery?
Yep. We got one battery right here. We got the strap. Wait, did I just sling something off? I heard something. I think we're okay. Strap. Lens stuff. Battery. Oh wait, they were nice enough to include... Wait, nah. I got happy. I thought they were giving us 2 batteries. Man. This is a wall socket. Wall socket, man. Still cool. I'm down. Alright, so let's see what else we got on the table real quick. We gotta move quick. The sunlight's going down. Down. Alright, so we got this right here. This is the Camera's World version of the extended magazine, okay? When you need to just... You might want one of these. You don't have to have it, but it can make your life a little bit easier. So let's take a look at what this thing actually does. It's from Mickey. All right, Mickey. Okay, so admittedly, I've never used one of these things, so I'm discovering it just like you are. All right, let's take a look here. So this right here, right, fits onto the bottom of your camera like this, right? Yep, it just goes in there like that. You guys can see pretty good, right? It goes in there like that. What you're gonna notice is that you have a couple basic camera control things on here. But the most important thing it's going to do is it's going to allow you to put batteries in here, okay? You got a 2 battery capacity. So you would take 2 of these, pop them into here, just like a clip, load it into your camera, and you're good to shoot all day. So you're kind of literally doubling your battery capacity. Now we got this. This is just what it says. It's a protector. It really looks like a phone case. A6000 3-pack.
It's compatible.
I'm hearing this from my cameraman that it's compatible.
Amazon told me it was.
Amazon doesn't lie. It's for the A6000. I assume that means that it'll be good into the future. You don't want to scratch up your nice new touchscreen, right?
Or smudge it.
Or smudge it. Alright, let's check this out. So this is a dummy battery, but really that's doing it a disservice. This thing should be called the smart battery. I mean, look at it. This is the thing that you're going to use because you're not the dummy. While everybody else is swapping out batteries, buying tons of batteries, running out of batteries, you're going to be good to go for the whole shoot. Whether you're shooting music videos, whether you're shooting an unboxing video, or whether you just want to film yourself playing games. Maybe you want to stream on Twitch and use your DSLR. Pro tip, by the way. You just plug this right into the battery, underneath. You're good to go all day, son. You're good to go all day. What? Now, there's one flaw with the A6400, besides not shooting 120 FPS 4K. When Sony made this camera, they made the flip-up screen, right? And we all appreciate them making the flip-up screen. It is what we've been asking for. But for some damn reason, they thought that they should put the freaking microphone jack thingy, the hot shoe, cold shoe, right in front of it. So whenever you go to vlog and you're using a shotgun mic, you're not gonna be able to see shit. Oh wait, I need that actually, hold up. So, that's what this is. This is a hot shoe. What is it, a hot shoe or cold shoe?
Cold shoe.
Cold shoe. A hot shoe is a shoe that you would maybe put on after it was sitting outside too long. This is totally different. I guess it would actually just be a shoe that you put on after it was in winter too long. Anyways, what this is gonna do, allow me to demonstrate. Oh wait, we're gonna have to, you're gonna be difficult with me. I had to open this. And that's how you scratch the screen. Gonna have to open this. Alright, don't play with me. Don't play with me. So, now that we got that out of the way, it's from this company called Small Rig. They make rigs for your camera. Basically, rigs are these cages that go around your camera, and then you can bolt stuff onto it and do all sorts of crazy shit. But this particular doohickey goes right here, right? And then it sets on the side. So you can put your microphone right here, and then your view won't be obstructed. So it just slides into the cold shoe, and there you go, microphone on the side. But being the man, the god of many choices, I couldn't stop there. I had to get one more. Because I was like, wait a second, they have another one? Which one will I prefer? Don't knock it till you try it, right? So we're trying it right now, sort of. Small Rig again. You should be sponsoring this video, son. So this, once again, slides into the cold shoe, and it's gonna fit right there. So what you'll notice is that even though the button is partially covered up, okay, you can still see the button perfectly and use it just fine. The cool thing about this is that you now can see yourself vlog. The uncool thing about it is if you're using the little floofy thing that goes in shotgun mics to keep the wind from making all sorts of windy noise, well, some of your screen is still going to get covered up because the thing is poofy, you know? You'll still be able to see and probably use it just fine. But I want to see all of my screen. So if it doesn't annoy me too much, I'll probably run with this because it's going to have a smaller profile, because it's going to keep the shotgun mic right here. It's going to camera right here. It's going to be nice. If you put the shotgun mic over here, the whole thing gets a little bit bigger. But then you don't have anything in front of your view. So I'm going to try it both ways. And once I rock it both ways, I'll let you know which way is my way. So we got one more thing. If I'm not mistaken, we got this right here, RAV Power. You guys know RAV Power, they make batteries. So this is gonna be extra batteries for our A64, no doubt. I'm glad. I would have felt dumb. And I would have been out of luck because this is the last thing. So, right here, let's see, we got the cable. Are you a C? It's not a C. 2020, and it's not a C. Okay, it comes with a little charger. Okay, I see you, RAV Power. I see you. I see you. I like this, the white and green. That's clean AF. Clean AF. Alright, so yeah, you just take your batteries out, plop them in here, one way or the other, they go in. You trust me, you guys trust me, right? You trust me. And there you go. So we got one battery that came with it, and then we got two batteries for spare. And then we got the smart battery. It's not a dummy. It's smarter than a lot of people watching, in fact. Got the smart battery for a continuous, never-ending record. And now, with that new update, where we can go longer than 30 minutes, we're in business, baby. All business. Gravy. Aid. So, here's what you guys need to take from this, right? It's not a cheap setup, so don't think that you're gonna, break your piggy bank and get your dimes and quarters and get this. But it is worth every penny. Every penny. And I'm gonna make sure that I do a little bit more in-depth review. We'll come back, we'll talk about my experience with it, so you can kind of get a grasp of what it's like using a high-tech camera with this, like this, and all the stuff that goes with it, okay? But remember, the main things that you have got to get if you get this camera, right? You have to have spare batteries. You definitely have to have spare batteries. If you're intending to stream with this, where you're gonna set it up so that you're gonna use this instead of like a Logitech camera, then you're gonna have to have the smart battery, okay? I would go for this lens, even though it's not the best for vlogging, because you're gonna be a little closer to yourself, but it's gonna give you the best versatility, so that if you wanna take pictures of something really far away, you got it crystal clear, okay? And of course, one of the things that you don't see here is there's no carrying tripod. That's inside. I didn't order it with this, so it's not part of this. But you gotta have like some kind of selfie thing going on, right? And of course, a tripod, which is what the Canon is on. You're gonna want to get one of those if you don't already have one or two, okay? So that's been our A6400 ultimate setup, ultimate guide to ultimate videos. What you need to do, because these videos ain't free to make, you know how much this costs? But it's free to watch. So hit the damn subscribe button. It doesn't cost nothing. Subscribe and join the Legion of the Gods.